Masonry installation of a Deco-Flash unit. Hello and welcome to Deco-Flash, the beautiful new way to install windows and doors. Today we're going to look at how you install a window into a masonry opening. The tools you'll need to get the job done are a level, flashing tape, razor blade, caulk gun, and nail gun. First, lay the Deco-Flash face down on a flat surface where the casing will not get scratched. Locate the Deco-Flash label. Next, apply sealant around the entire perimeter of the Deco-Flash unit. Your sealant bead should be 3/8 to a half an inch thick. Be sure not to leave any voids in this caulking sequence. Apply a smaller secondary bead of sealant inside the initial primary to the interior frame. This secondary sealant bead is an insurance bead and is not required by our installation instructions. Make sure the exterior surface is clear from any debris before attaching the unit. From the exterior, make sure your Deco-Flash box is installed level and square. Check the head and sill if possible. Once the Deco-Flash is in its desired location, put a nail in each corner to ensure that it stays in place. This would be a good time to double check your unit to make sure it's plumb and square. On taller units, this is especially important. Nail or screw the Deco-Flash in the appropriate spacing provided in the Deco-Flash installation instructions. The typical nailing pattern is 2 inches from the corners and every 8 inches. Make sure you use a good quality exterior nail or screw when attaching the unit to the block. Next, apply a liquid membrane head flashing above the window. Tool it in place to make sure that there's a good seal between the nail fin and the block. You are now ready to install a window into the Deco-Flash unit.